Welcome to the Saharil Techno channel. This time, I'll share a tool for repairing smartphones, laptops, desktop computers, drones, and game consoles. The tool is called W2R Schematics, or W2R Solution. This tool includes complete schematics, circuit board views, diode values, and repair guides for computers, smartphones, graphics cards, and monitors. To use this tool, you must register using your email address. Please click the registration menu within the tool or visit the official website. This tool offers a limited-time free trial, allowing you to access the introductory version before signing up as a member. To access this tool indefinitely, please request a purchase from the tool's development team. Here are the details of supported devices. 1. Smartphones: iPhone, Samsung, Xiaomi, Vivo, Oppo, Realme, Motorola, Honor, Huawei, OnePlus. 2. Laptops: Dell, HP, Apple MacBook, Asus, Acer, Lenovo, Samsung, Microsoft Surface, MSI. 3. Desktop computers: Asus, Gigabyte, MSI, ECS, motherboards, graphics cards, monitors, TVS. 4. Drones: Parrot, DJI, Autel, DJI Mini, Parrot Anafi, Autel Evo Lite. 5. Game consoles: PlayStation 5, PS5, PlayStation 4, PS4, PlayStation 3, PS3, Xbox Series X. Schematic Insights. W2R Schematics is a dedicated platform for providing clear, accurate, and well-organized electronic schematics that support learning, troubleshooting, and device repair. 1. Verified schematics. Thoroughly structured circuit diagrams and layouts designed for accurate understanding and repair. 2. Extensive schematic coverage. Access schematics for a wide range of devices, models, and electronic systems from a single platform. 3. Easy to understand. Clean visual flow and logical connections make complex electronic circuits easy to follow. A professional resource for confidently diagnosing, repairing, and improving your skills. A comprehensive tool designed for the modern repair professional. Daily updates. Schematic and PCB updates. Get the latest repair data. We continuously update our database with new schematics, board views, and PCB layer models. 1. Daily schematic and board view updates. 2. Regular PCB layer model updates. Smart maintenance marking. Efficiently mark components directly in the schematic for easy identification. Our advanced tools allow you to clearly visualize component connections and details. 1. Easy component marking and tracking. 2. Track layers, diodes, and overhead wires. File interoperability. Open and cross-reference multiple file types side by side for faster diagnosis and repair. Seamless integration across multiple formats. 1. Schematic, PDF, board view, JD support. 2. Export images, PDF, and snapshots. CPU Finder. Instantly find CPU and chipset specifications for thousands of devices. Search by brand, model, or chipset to get precise hardware data for accurate diagnosis. 1. Detailed specifications for 4,300 plus CPUs and chipsets. 2. Search by brand, model, or chipset. Note: Microsoft Edge WebView 2. Runtime will be installed automatically if it isn't already on your system. NetFramework 4.8 is usually pre-installed on Windows 10 and Windows 11. That concludes our brief review of this tool. We hope this tool is useful for you all. Thank you for supporting our channel. Thank you.